used to think that when people said, oh, you're losing power to her, or you're giving her power away, like you're giving your power away, that's not, it sounds like she is gaining it. That's not true, man. That's wrong. It's quite an important distinction to make. If you lose your energy, your libido, and you become weak, she doesn't get that energy. She's not like hoarding it for her own good, like a fucking squirrel, or like some creature that's like a demon, or like the devil, you know. Yeah, women aren't that fucking clever, and they're not that evil. Sorry to say, not sorry. No, what it means is if you're losing your power, or you're giving your power away, it's not to her, it's just fucking going off into the ether. It's like leaking. You're leaking, man. Like a fucking leaky thing. What's a leaky thing? Let's think about this. Tell me in the comments below, what is a leaky thing? What leaks? Well, water tanks leak, I guess. Oil tanks. Gas leaks. Yeah. So if you want more gas, eat baked beans. No, don't. No, but seriously, you want to retain your energy. Yeah? You want to, you're like a car. Vroom vroom. You need petrol. If you've got a leaking tank, you're not going to go very far. Yeah? But other cars don't get that energy. The atmosphere gets it. And what does the atmosphere do with leaking gas? Well, nothing. It just dissipates it. It just goes in the cycle of nature. It doesn't mean too much in this context. But you can't do anything. You're just stuck until you fill yourself up again, because you're a self-filling up kind of car. You know what I mean? Yeah? If you're an electrical car, you've got to get charged again if you've got a shitty battery or whatever it is. I'm not an engineer. I'm a breakup coach. But yeah, it's important. Seriously. Because otherwise you start thinking, my God, she's taking it. She's a vampire. What a bitch. What a vampire. She's evil. I've got to take the power back. Take the power. Take the power. Yeah, all this kind of crap. Yeah, nah. That's bullshit. It's stupid. I've been there. I've been stupid many times. But I've also been under this misunderstanding that somehow she gets the power if I lose the power because of this dynamic. No. She will lose attraction to you if you're weak, and you're weak because you've lost your power to the ether, because you've drained yourself, because you've had a hole in your boundary, because you've just let yourself go, because you become hopeless, because you've become useless. Yeah. Women don't like that. And to be honest, men don't like that. I'm not attracted to women who are just fucking parasites. I'm not attracted to women who don't have anything going on in their life. I'm not attracted to women who are just pathetic. God, no. I'm attracted to sexy women. What are sexy women? Sexy women are women who've got things going on in their lives, who've got a personality, who've got boundaries, who have likes and dislikes, who've got some sass and energy. Yeah? So why the hell should they be attracted to us as if we don't? If we're weak and pathetic? You see what I'm saying? Anyway, that's all I've got to say, man. But there's ways of getting your power back. I'm sure you have a few ideas of how you get your power back. You can write them in the comments below, or We can go through some. How do you get your power back? Well, you sort out your mindset. You sort out your body, because body is mindset, because it's all linked together. So you go to the gym, you work out, you do exercise, whatever exercise it is. Maybe you're into like swimming, hang gliding, parachuting, abseiling, jumping off, no, whatever, man. You don't, even just walking around. I love walking. Is it a sport? No, I mean, I'm sure there are speed walking sports. There are, but I'm not into that. Maybe I should be. But exploring, my God, man, exploring. I love exploring. Here I am on the river Dnipro in Kiev. This is one of the best places to explore, Kiev. Amazing city. I digress. Even where you live, you can explore. This is good for you. This is a way of gaining your energy back by moving your body, lifting weights, going to the gym. This is the classic. And yeah, you get stronger, you see progress. Make sure you write down what you're doing, how many reps, so you can actually note progress. I love doing that. I don't need anyone else. But whatever, that's me. Take up a sport. Maybe you like watching MMA, maybe football, maybe rugby, whatever it is that you like. People think I'm strange because I'm not that interested in football and I'm English. I'm like, what? Well, yeah. Each to their own. The main thing is you pick something that you like doing. Something that you like doing. Yeah? Because liking things, liking life, that's sexy. It's also powerful. Forget about trying to be sexy, so that, because trying is looking for what they say, approval, attention. No, man, you have to be approving of yourself. You have to approve the life you're living. You have to be the one discerning what is good and what is not good, what you like, what you don't like, gaining your personality, gaining your strength, gaining your power, because that's how you retain your power. By being happy, by having positive energy, positive biochemicals. Yeah? Not being reliant on other people. Because if you're reliant on other people, you're giving them your power. But you're not giving them the power. You're giving a projection of them the power. And they don't get the power. What I'm saying is, if you're thinking about someone, that energy is going to that fantasy. If that fantasy makes you feel good, yeah, you'll feel good. If it makes you feel like shit, you'll feel like shit. Lower power. Feel good? Good. But you don't want to be reliant on other people, because if they don't add up to the projection of your fantasy, which they're not going to, because it's a projection and a fantasy, then the higher you go, the fucking harder you're going to fall, okay? Anyway, that's enough. If you like this video, if you find it insightful, if you've got anything, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. It's free. It helps me help more people. Yeah. Also, if you've got any comments, any insights, any questions, any nuances I've missed, which I probably will have, this is not scripted. Fucking let's open up a discussion in the comments. I've also got a book. You might like that. I wrote it myself. I didn't use AI. It took a long time. It's only 120 pages long, but still, it's good. And it'll open your mind a little bit, or maybe a lot. Anyway, whatever you do, if you see this now, stay resilient.